welcome back. So, in today's episode of Sairaab, Noyanika refuses to give up on Ishan as he battles for his life, while Ujjani struggles to accept her mother's relationship with him. The episode begins with Noyanika arriving at the hospital while Ishan remains in critical condition. A journalist questions her about his health and whether her surgery caused complication. Noyanika firmly defends her treatment, explaining that although the surgery was successful, sometimes a patient body does not respond to medicines as expected. The doctor later tells Maria and Bishu that Ishan's surgery was successful, but his condition remains serious because he seems to have lost the will to survive. His recovery depends on whether his body accepts the blood. Meanwhile, Ujjini breaks down at home. Shishu tries to make her understand that Nayanika has spent her entire life caring for her, but she also has the right to make her own uh, choices. Ujjini, however, feels abandoned and believes her mother has chosen Ishan over her. At the hospital, Maria asks Bishu to send Noyanika away. Noyanika refuses, reminding that she is Ishan's doctor and performed his surgery. Bishu supports her medical judgment, but Maria remains against her being near Ishan. Ujjani also complains about people mocking Noyanika because of the viral Sindoor photograph. Shishu tells her to ignore such people and reminds her that love has no age limit. He says Noyanika and Ishan are both adults and Ujjani must respect their feelings even if she finds them difficult to accept. Noyanika then enters Ishan's room and becomes emotional seeing him unconscious. She begs him to wake up and tells him that she will never leave him. She urges him to fight for his life, not only for her but for himself. Suddenly, Ishan responds to her voice. The doctors are stunned as he slowly opens his eyes, and Noyanika is overwhelmed with happiness. Back home, Neil becomes emotional after seeing Ujjani suffer. He asks his father whether Noyanika will continue staying in their house. His father makes it clear that she cannot stay there, and Neil suggests sending Noyanika away so Ujjani can remain with him. At the hospital, Noyanika receives more good news. Ishan's body has started accepting the blood and is now out of danger. Maria again tells Noyanika to stay away from Ishan. Noyanika calmly replies that she will always come when Ishan needs help, but she will not interfere when he is happy and healthy. Maria says she wants Ishan to marry a good girl. Noyanika gives her a strong response, saying that before discussing his marriage, Maria should first make sure Ishan accepts the person he chooses. The episode ends with tension rising between Noyanika, Ujjani, and family. In the precap, Noyanika receives a shocking revelation. Ishan has lost his memories. Now, the big question is whether he will remember Noyanika and the relationship or whether she will have to make him fall in love with her all over again. Thank you for watching. Bye.